how to fix Battlefield 6 not launching or opening. Here's what you have to do. Open up the EA launcher here if you have it from within the EA app, and you want to click on Battlefield 6. No matter whether you have it from or on Steam or Epic Games, you will click on Manage and you want to repair the game first. Click on Repair and wait for the process to finish. Once this is finished, you will click on Manage, then View Properties, and you want to open up the folder. Now you want to find Battlefield 6, right click on it, show more options and go into Properties. Here, go into the Compatibility tab and you want to check these three options. Compatibility Mode, disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply, click on OK. Once you have done this, the last thing that you need to do is open up your graphics settings. Here, you just want to find Battlefield 6. Click on it and set the GPU preference for high performance. And that should fix the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.